Put your phone down. If you were about to upgrade to the iPhone 17 or the 18, I am here to tell you that you are about to make a decision you will regret for the next 5 years. Because while the tech world is looking at incremental updates, Apple is secretly preparing a device that isn't just a phone. It's a declaration of war on the entire industry. This is the iPhone 20, internally codenamed XX. And it is the most radical redesign since the original iPhone debuted 2 decades ago that I've spent months tracking the supply chain shifts from LG Display and Samsung, the massive $271 million investment in new production facilities in Korea, and the leaked memos from Cupertino that point toward a total abandonment of the iPhone 19 naming scheme. Apple is skipping a generation to align their most futuristic device with the 20th anniversary of the iPhone in 2027. We are talking about a machine that officially kills the notch, kills the dynamic island, and finally delivers the single sheet of glass that Steve Jobs and Johnny Ive dreamed of 20 years ago. In this video, we are breaking down the confirmed leaks, the 4-sided waterfall display, the invisible underscreen Face ID, the 2nm A21 Superchip, and the revolutionary solid-state frame. If you want to know why the competition is currently in a state of panic, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Let's start with the glass revolution. For years, Apple's goal has been a device that looks like a slab of glass with 0 cutouts and 0 interruptions. For the iPhone 20 XX, that goal becomes a reality. Reports from Bloomberg and display analysts confirm that Apple is moving to a 4-edge bending OLED panel. This means the screen doesn't just curve on the sides, it flows over the top and bottom of the phone. Imagine a waterfall display that wraps around the entire chassis, leaving virtually 0 bezels. When you hold it, you aren't holding a phone. You are holding a window into the digital world. But to make that happen, Apple had to solve the biggest engineering challenge in mobile history: hiding the sensors. The iPhone 20X is set to be the first iPhone with a truly invisible front-facing array. Using a technology called Color Filter on Encapsulation, or COE, Apple has figured out how to place the Face ID sensors and the 48-megapixel selfie camera beneath the display without sacrificing image quality. When the screen is on, you see nothing but pixels. The dynamic island is gone. The punch hole is gone. It is a seamless, uninterrupted canvas. Now let's talk about the feel of the device, because the frame is changing too. The leaked blueprints for the iPhone 20X show a metal band architecture that sits at the midpoint of the device's edge. But here is the catch: there are no physical buttons. None. No volume rockers, no power button, no action button. Instead, Apple is moving to solid-state haptic controls. These are pressure-sensitive zones built into the metal band that use taptic engines to mimic the feel of a click. This makes the phone almost entirely waterproof and removes the mechanical wear and tear that kills devices over time. It's a cleaner, sleeker look that makes the current titanium iPhones feel like industrial relics. But the real monster is hidden inside: the A21 chip. We are currently in the 3nm era, but for the 20th anniversary, Apple is jumping to a second-generation 2nm process. This isn't just a speed boost. This is a fundamental change in how the phone thinks. The A21 is being built as a universal AI engine.